Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
सनबर्न सुवातेचे भाडे दिवना म्हणून ब्रेस्तारा हंजुना कोमनिदाद हायकोर्टान पावली. आयज सुनावणी जाली.
Contention of the petitioner is that the amounts were not deposited which were due to the Comundat. And they were that's why I'm moving a petition that Sunburn should be evicted from the place. Alternate prayer was that they should deposit the amounts. Now we've placed an affidavit before the court and told the court showed how we have already deposited these amounts today. How we had earlier issued checks, but checks were not accepted. We were told to issue demand drafts. So we did not know exact amounts. Once the administrator of Comundat told us the amounts on somewhere around of 26th December, immediately the next day we issued checks which were not accepted. So we kept those checks as security, and today we've produced the demand drafts. So there is nothing more that survives in the petition. So the petition was dismissed by the amount of 2 crore 43 lakhs owed to the Comundat, which will stay with the administrator of Comundat due to the Supreme Court's order. The dirham that is paid to the administrator of Comundat of 48 lakhs odd, and the amount that goes to the director of civil administration of about 12 lakhs along with a 15% security deposit.
मजगती सनबर्नच्या स्टाफाकडच्यान 80 लाखाच्या एंट्री पासांची चोरी, 5 जणांक धरून 50 लाखाची रिकव्हरी केल्या.
Officials of Sunburn had given a complaint that there some employees only have stolen about passes for lakhs of rupees, and they were selling to the person who have come to Sunburn. So we have successfully arrested 5 persons, and they are apparently working for Sunburn only. So all 5 persons arrested. We recovered some Sunburn passes also, tickets also, and we have initiated legal action. All are arrested. 82 lakhs.
82 lakhs?
Yeah.
मजगती सनबर्नाचे स्टेजीर शंकराचे फोटो घालून सनातन धर्माचा अवमान करता त्यांच्यावर FIR जावची म्हणून आपाचो अध्यक्ष अमित पालेकर मागता.
आमचे दैवत महादेव किंवा आमी शिव म्हणटा तांकां काल तांणी इट वॉज फ्लॅशिंग वेन देर वॉज लावड EDM म्युजीक वॉज प्लेईंग, आनी त्या तालार मद्द धुंद म्हणजे कंप्लिटली इनेब्रेटेड स्टेट लोक नाचताले आनी हातल्यान आमच्या प्रत्येक हिंदू धर्मियांचो अपमान केलो. अजुनूय कांय ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर जावना. तेन्ना वी हॅव डिसायडेड वील फायल अ फॉर्मल कंप्लेंट अगेन्स्ट सनबर्न, ऑर्गनायझर्स ऑफ सनबर्न, एंड यूज ऑफ हिंदू गॉड.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.